PT400PRO machine vibration and gearbox simulator, exclusively designed for teaching and scientific research of mechanical fault diagnosis. It integrates core components, bearings, gears, shafts, belts, and rotors to simulate various typical mechanical faults. Angular and parallel shaft misalignment can be simulated for vibration signature analysis and alignment adjustment training. Rotor unbalance simulation and dynamic balance calibration tests are available. Interchangeable faulty bearings, inner ring, outer ring, rolling element, cage and compound defects are equipped to collect vibration and noise characteristic signals. Interchangeable gears with different defects, such as missing teeth, broken teeth, pitting and cracks, are available. It can simulate loose or worn belts to study their impact on the vibration of transmission systems. It supports vibration characteristic analysis for multiple faults including mechanical looseness, shaft bending, and misalignment. The front panel integrates speed control and display. The speed range is 3,500 RPM with an adjustment accuracy of 1 RPM, controlled via knobs. Working voltage, single-phase AC 0 to 240 V, 50/60ths of a hertz. Plugs compliant with different national standards are optional. Press the emergency stop button for immediate equipment shutdown to ensure operational safety. All components are high precision machined with minimal tolerances, ensuring stable operation during use. It is ideal for university teaching experiments, factory practical training, characteristic analysis of fault diagnosis algorithms, and professional engineering training. PT400PRO, developed for practical mechanical fault diagnosis teaching and research.